What's up, guys? Today we're playing Animal Company's new Easter update.
You'll never know when he's coming to strike.
Bro, come! I'll come! Yeah, boy! Bro, come on! Come to Mirror!
I was there before you.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna be seeing the new map and hope we can get some eggs. Eggs only sell for like 2 seconds for me. Okay,
What do you mean eggs?
Easter eggs. There's Easter
Where'd
eggs
you get Easter eggs,
in
bro?
the maze.
I know, bro. I went to the maze and I killed the chicken. It didn't drop any eggs.
Get a bag full of ammo. Gonna need ammo.
Bro, there's a ghost lady in there.
Well, we don't need a flashlight.
Oh yeah.
Bro, get a bag full of ammo.
Let's go.
Get bags full of ammo.
We need mobility.
I have
We
a
don't need
I have.
ammo.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, then I'm coming. Anyway, you don't need a pickaxe. All you need is a weapon to fight the chicken and a mobility item and a bag. And that's really all you need. Meet you at the maze.
I'm gonna come back since I got a box.
Where
You must
did
protect me at all times because I got a box.
you get that?
Oh, it's right. It was right here.
Right. Wait, can we? Wait, we can use that to hide. Look, wait, let me try that. I won't steal it. I swear to my mother's life. Wait. Bro, can you not?
No.
What's the point of this box then? Can you not hide? Get the sticker. I'll get the sticker gun. I'll put
Why? Why do we need a sticker gun?
because to know where we are. So this way. Don't.
It's a lock.
Wait, go this way.
It's locked and loaded.
Yeah, I do.
Yo, what do the buttons do? What do the buttons do?
Oh, they call it Big Mama Chicken. Yeah, hide in the bushes.
Come on.
Bro, we should have done that.
I told these bushes barely work. The bushes barely even work.
They don't even work.
They work if you stay long enough and stay in there. Wait, is a normal revolver? Yeah, I have a revolver here.
How broke are you, bro?
Not
And
really.
how didn't this despawn, bro? How didn't this despawn? I'll use this for mobility.
Get ammo.
Yo, bro. OP.
I need a grappler.
I'm going to the area.
Never mind, I have a grappler. Ammo! I need ammo! Please like and subscribe, guys. We're so close to 100 subscribers. Oh my god! I will shoot this so hard it will explode. I will shoot it. Oh yes. I don't care if I'm broke. I can just use my duplication glitch. Okay, Owen, I'm coming. We are gonna need lots of ammo. And you can have the ammo from my bag. Can you hear me even?
No.
Bruh, you just heard me, bruh. Nah. Whee! Oh, no. Okay, I've got me. Wait, you have some of my ammo. Because I have that much, okay?
I'll take 2.
Okay. Wait, but my bag is gonna get too heavy.
Okay, I'll take all of these then.
Well, wait, you can have the sticker gun. I have the... Guys, this is part 2. Why in the hell did that happen?
I angered the chicken.
Good, bro.
I took like a whole 3 rounds on it and didn't die. Shoot.
Where's this? Wait, I got it.
Back up. Kill it. Got it. Thank you.
Bruh, my brother flew in the air. And we have a grenade.
Yeah.
Eat. Okay, who's gonna take that sticker gun?
I will. Wait.
That's stealth. Let's go this way.
Why is there a maze in the first place?
I don't know, to make it look fun. Okay, now we just went around in a circle. I feel like Toasty then went this way. Yeah, I remember this in the video. Yep, I remember this. We should have took the sticker gun.
Yeah, bro, I have the sticker gun.
Good.
Where are you?
Check on your map. Here.
Bro.
Oh, I think
keep losing you.
Found it. Bro, come on.
Coming. It takes time to actually plant stickers.
Oh, the dead end.
Oh my.
But he went, bruh, that's how mazes work. In school, the mazes are easier. I think I found it. I think we're supposed to go to the middle. Owen.
I'm coming.
Feel like the middle is like that way, so we go this way. Just don't press the buttons.
Yeah, I'm going to miss Chicken.
No,
Boy, I
then,
wish you had a map like on your hand. I wish you had a map like on your wrist. I mean, not on your wrist, because you already have one on your wrist, kind of. On your like, what you call it?
on your
a map on your hand, so you can navigate where you're going.
yeah. Maybe if we press the button, then we'll know what way. Wait! It's coming from this way.
Yo, you keep it. I have my pickaxe. Can you grab a shoot? Bro, help!
I have no ammo! I have no ammo! Run!
Reload! I'm gonna die! You selfish! You're absolutely.
How am I selfish, bruh? Oh my god.
You wouldn't help me, bro.
Bruh, I have no ammo!
Like, bro, I couldn't reload, but you could because it was on me. I'm going to mine.
Oh my god. Oh my, wait. I'm just so mad right now. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it because somebody called me selfish. Bruh, does he not know the rules of Animal Company? Like, if you go on the ground, then they will get addicted to you. Yeah. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye.